Hello everyone, I am your guide, please watch the whole video. How to create a lightning effect with Photoshop. It's relatively easy to create lightning using Adobe Photoshop. In the example, we use a less realistic, more saturated version, but you can adjust these instructions to make a more realistic lighting effect. Step 1. Open the image you're editing and make a new file. The example shown here uses an RGB 300 by 100 with a black background. Step 2. Draw the lines in the position you want the lightning to be. Use a 1px paintbrush. Step 3. Use the wind filter. Filter stylize wind. Select the method as wind and the direction from the left. Now repeat except change the direction to from the right. Move to filter distort ripple, set the amount to 100% and hit OK. Go to enhance, adjust color hue saturation. At the bottom right corner hit colorize. Now adjust the hue bar and the saturation bar until you get a color you like. Step 4. Rotate the image 90 degrees. Click image, rotate 90 degrees right. Repeat the previous step and rotate it 90 left. Step 5. And press Ctrl E to merge visible layers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Muzz Creation and send me your picture. I edit your picture free. My email address is in description.